Introducing Show2Doc, an integrated home pregnancy monitoring system.
Pregnancy is a beautiful journey, but it can also be a time of worry. During pregnancy, monitoring health of the mother and the baby is crucial. That's where Show2Doc comes in, providing future mothers with the necessary tools for a healthy and peaceful pregnancy.
Our kit enables seamless video calls, either scheduled with your doctors or in case of emergencies. Moreover, you can always contact your health provider by means of chat and communicating in case the mother has any questions or is in doubt of her current condition.
And the best part, all your vitals are automatically saved in our secure app. Therefore, we would like to introduce Show2Doc, your complete home pregnancy monitoring system, which includes 4 essential devices and a telehealth ecosystem that ensure the well-being of both mother and child. Track your blood pressure with our user-friendly tonometer. Hear your baby's heartbeat with our intuitive fetal Doppler. Monitor your temperature with our fast and accurate thermometer. Keep an eye on your oxygen levels with our comfortable pulse oximeter. First, the fetal Doppler, a gentle tool that allows you to hear your baby's heartbeat, providing reassurance and connection. The baby's heartbeat is being recorded in the app and saved for future reference. Next, the tonometer, monitoring blood pressure with accuracy, which is vital for maintaining a healthy pregnancy. Followed by the pulse oximeter, measuring oxygen levels in the blood, and mother's pulse is a critical aspect of maternal and fetal health. Lastly, thermometer, ensuring precise temperature monitoring for early detection of any fever or infections in a matter of seconds. In addition to tracking your vital signs, our kit enables seamless video calls with your doctor in case of emergencies or critical values. This ensures peace of mind for the mother during pregnancy and enables doctors to prevent complications, focus on early detection and disease management, and deliver high-quality medical services. These devices and our IT infrastructure empower expecting mothers and healthcare professionals with real-time insights, promoting a safe and informed pregnancy journey. Monitoring with care every step of the way.